Hello friends. Today I will show you the process of our work on installing a stretch ceiling in a cafe. Let's see the ceiling in the cafe as it looked originally. We begin work with the installation of corners for attaching a profile for curtains. Using a laser level, we fix the profile along the horizon. The wall profile must also be installed behind the curtain profile. Around the entire perimeter of the room we install a profile to the wall. Since the width of the room is very large, we had to divide it into several ceilings. For this, a special profile is used. We install a dividing profile in several places and get 3 stretch ceilings. We installed a beam to which track lighting will be attached. We installed a mount for lamps, fire alarm sensors, ventilation and a projector. We proceed to install a large stretch ceiling on this object. The approximate area of this canvas is 60 square meters. The most complex parts of the canvas are inserted into the profile. We insert the remaining part of the canvas. Proceed to the installation of the second canvas stretch ceiling. Unfortunately, the entire installation process of the stretch ceiling could not be filmed. Let's see the result of our work. Subscribe to the channel. See you in new videos. Goodbye.